Hi. Oh. Every idea that I've had for a video this week has just failed. So I really want to get in the habit of uploading a video every week. So I'm still not even really sure what I'm gonna upload, but there are these really teeny tiny baby kittens outside my apartment, and they're so cute, and I might just have to share them with the world because my husband and I are obsessed with trying to get them out and like see them. They come out every once in a while out from underneath this bush that's right outside, and they're so cute and they're so tiny. So I don't know, maybe I'll try and get some footage of them. It's not roller coaster related, but it's another passion of mine. I guess you could say I'm like a crazy cat lady. Oh, there they are. Little babies. No, focus. Oh my god, so freaking cute. Oh, he looks like a little bat. I don't see him anymore. Oh, there's one. Oh my god. Hi, Mama. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at your baby. Oh, you're so cute. I'm gonna call my husband and tell him to throw down some cat treats. Hey, I'm outside. Can you throw down some kitty treats? Yeah, Mama and the babies are out right now. Thanks. Okay, bye. Oh my god. Why not focus? It's open. Oh, okay. They're never gonna come back.
Oh my god, there's a kid.
Where?
There's a ton of them. They're all playing by the big tree.
Oh.
You see them?
Yes. Oh, so cute.
The one that looks just like the mom
Yeah.
is by far the most curious
Okay.
and the least afraid. The rest of them, if they notice you, they immediately run up to the deck. And
Oh. Baby! Oh my god, you're so cute!
the little kittens are following her.
What?
She's walking down the sidewalk.
Oh, like Aristocats?
She's making the turn.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, they're coming!
She like doesn't care about her kids. So. Alright, I'm leaving. Whatever you want.
You're on your own. Oh, hi, honey. Hi. Look at your ears. Oh, you look like your mama. Oh, we got 4 now. 5. Oh my gosh. I cannot handle this. This is so sweet. I am in heaven right now. Hi, Mama. Oh, oh no. There you go. Get that one. I really want to pet her. She's so pretty. Oh. Hi. at you, sweetheart. Yeah. Oh. Who knew you were so sweet? You're always so scared of us. Oh. She is so sweet. I kind of want to keep her. We already have 2 cats of our own, so I don't know. Yay! Oh. I got one briefly. My cat's up there, being nosy. I think that's it. This is a pretty odd video to put out, but I didn't have anything else, so hopefully you guys like cats. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!